This is the Lucky Shiba Inu JEKCA set. I really enjoyed the first JEKCA set that I got and put together, so I had to get another one. Yeah, so this is the first one I put together. This is the Shiba Daruma doll. Online on the website, it says it takes around 10 to 13 hours to put together, and it took me just over 8 hours, I think, something like that. So I'm thinking I can finish in around 11 to 12 hours, hopefully. This one is 2,050 pieces. I think this one was 1,600 pieces, so definitely more pieces. Definitely should take me more time. But in the beginning, I was a little bit slow in putting this one together because I didn't know what I was doing. It was my first JEKCA set, and I didn't know all these screws that I had to put in here. So I think I understand how to put these together, so I should be able to get started and moving just as quick. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we're working with. This is gonna suck. The white pieces. And here's the instructions. I don't really use the instructions. I usually just scan the QR code on my phone because it's easier to see on my phone because I can, you know, zoom in and out on it. More pieces there. More pieces. My favorite part's the little tiny screws that I gotta put in. There's a lot of these things. The black screws. Oh, here's the screwdriver and this useless card. Oh man, more. How many are there in this? Oh my god. Is that everything? All right, that's everything. Put this away. I know the last one I did was only 5 pages, and this one is gonna be more than that. All right, 7 pages, 145 steps. All right, let's go ahead and let's get this timer started here. Here we go, and let's begin. Here we go. Alright, 1 hour in, I'm on step 11 out of 145. I've only got this much done so far. It starts off slow, but hopefully this will speed up. It's gonna be a long time. Most likely 12 hours, hopefully. Could be longer. Let's keep going. Alright, 2 hour update. I'm on step 123. I wish I was on 123. I'm on step 23 out of 145. This is what I've got done so far. I got the feet, got a little bit of the, I don't know what that is. The gold piece in the front, the tail showing in the back. It's moving a little bit faster than the first hour, so that's good. Alright, hour number 3, I'm on step, I just finished step 34 out of 145. Coin's almost done, tail showing a little bit more. You got a little bit of the tip of the tail there now. It's looking good, getting hungry. Whatever, let's keep going. Four hours in, we're on step 46 out of 145. Almost done with the coin thing in the front. Tail on the back's almost done. Still a lot more to go through. Like I haven't got to the bell or the neck. I haven't got to any of the hands. All right, where am I at? I'm so out of it. 47. Step 47. All right. 5 hours in, I'm on step 58, also on page, almost done with page 4. I have 7 pages. It's looking good. I got a little bit of the paw going on here. Still not at the head yet. Maybe I'll get to it this hour, hopefully. We'll see. Six-hour update, just finished step 74 out of 145, so it's a halfway. Almost at the collar, still not the head yet like I thought it was gonna be, but should be getting to it at this hour. All right. All right, 7-hour update. I just got to page 6, so 2 pages left. I just finished step 88 out of 145. This is how it looks like right now. I'm happy with it. Let's keep going. All right, Alright, so 8-hour update. I'm on step 103 here. I got to the face, the mouth's almost done. This is about the point where I finished the first one that I did. This one took me a little over 8 hours to make, and it's actually about the same height that this one's at, so it seems about right. So probably 3 or 4 more hours until I can finish this one up. So let's just keep going. Alright, 9 hours in. This is what I've got done so far. It's almost done. It looking pretty good. I'm thinking 2 more hours, maybe a little bit more than 2 hours. But yeah, I think my estimate of 11 to 12 hours is pretty good. Let's keep going so I can actually finish this in 11 hours. I'm tired and I'm hungry. I want to hurry up and do this. Alright, 10 hours in. Almost done. Just got a little bit of the head and the ears, and I think that's everything. Yeah, and then I'll be done. This, yeah, 10 hours. This should take me no more than an hour, so 30 minutes? I must say another hour. I'm done. I'll stop timer. All right, so that took me 10 hours and 24 minutes. Oh man, I'm tired. But here's how it came out. You know, exactly how it looks in the picture, so I don't know why I'd be surprised, but this is pretty cool. I like how this one came out, and now it matches up with my my little Shiba Inu doll here. But yeah, this definitely took a little bit more time than this one because this one has like a little bit more layers. You can kind of see it here, how it's got a little bit more like texture. I don't know how to, something to it, more layers to it. And this one is just, you know, it's just a ball. So it was much easier to put this one together compared to this one. So I understand why it took a little bit longer, and it's actually a little bit bigger too, a little bit more pieces. But I like how it came out. This would have been a lot faster. Well, I think all these JEKCA building blocks would have been faster if I'd have to put all these tiny screws in each piece. It's so tiny, you can't even see it on camera. But like, yeah, every piece has at least 1 screw in it, but it keeps it from falling apart though. So this is built pretty well. I'm not worried about this thing falling apart. Do I like this one more? I like them both. I actually got this one in Japan, so this is kind of like my souvenir from there, but I actually got this on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested, but I got this on Amazon. It was $68 on Amazon. This was actually cheaper when I bought it in Japan. It was like $40, but that's because of the exchange rate. But yeah, these are the smaller version. There's actually a bigger version. I know this one is like, actually got it right here. $340 for like the bigger one. And I don't know how many pieces that one is, and I don't know how long that's gonna take, but I do plan on getting one of those larger ones just to see how it is. I'm actually curious about them. I don't think I'm gonna do that one in one sitting. Anyways, it's almost midnight. I'm finally gonna go eat. Oh, wanna say hi to your brother? See ya.